Today we will see the best 7 AI features of Filmora. Although in Filmora, there are many AI features, but my favorite 7 are features. So let's open the Filmora. The first feature is audio stretch. So this is the music layer, listen to it. Now you have to come here, and the option of audio stretch will appear. Then in this way the audio has to be stretched. Now listen to this music again. The next feature is AI image generator. This is the feature of AI image on the top. Now the image size has to be selected, then whatever image you want here, its text has to be written. After this, click on Start Creating, then wait a bit, then the image has been generated. Let's try one more time. This time a very good image has been created. And you can easily use it by downloading it. The next feature is Smart Cutout. If you want to remove the background of your video, or the background of any object, then this feature can be very useful. By selecting video, coming to AI option, Smart Cutout option will appear. Have to click on this. Then the thing whose background is to be removed has to be selected. So the background has been removed. The next AI feature is AI copywriting. If you want someone's idea, or want to make something, then you can take his idea from here, AI copywriting. As I have written, how to make vlog intro. So in few seconds, it has given me the answer. So by copying or pinning, following all the steps, I can make a good vlog intro. The next feature is auto frame. The next feature is audio denoise. If there is noise in the background of a voice-over, such as the sound of a fan, or whatever, with the audio denoise feature, noise can be removed. Next is 7 feature. This is also AI copywriting, but a little different. From here, if you want the idea of writing text, After exporting here, what to keep the title of the video. And the text of the description of the video can also be taken from this AI writing.